Hey everybody, this is Tim Thompson with SPF Insurance, and today we're going to talk about HSA health insurance plans or health savings account compatible health insurance. Now, these types of plans are composed of two specific parts. The first part is the high deductible health insurance plan, and the second part is a savings account, the health savings account. They're two independent pieces, and you can have one without the other. The caveat is that you can't have the health savings account. You can't put money into the health savings account unless you have a high deductible health insurance plan. So, first, let's talk about the health insurance plan itself. Now, the easiest definition of what these plans are is it's a traditional PPO plan in which all the preventive services are covered 100%. So if you go for an annual physical, you go for an OBGYN visit, mammogram, pap smear, those types of things, all the preventive services are covered 100%. If you have any other medical needs, so for example, a prescription, or you twist your ankle and you go to the doctor to see if it's broken, those you pay for as part of your deductible costs. Now, you pay using the negotiated rates that the insurance company has for those services. So you're going to pay less than if you had no insurance and you went to have the same thing happen. So you get a benefit there, but you'll pay for those until you reach your deductible level. And at that point in time, once you reach the deductible, you're done and the insurance company pays 100% thereafter. So that's the easiest definition of what the typical HSA plan looks like. Now there's a second variation on HSA health insurance plans, and that one is the same as what I've just described, but with the exception that from the time you hit the deductible, you're not actually done with paying for the costs at that point in time. There's a secondary out-of-pocket maximum level. So you reach the deductible and then you begin sharing costs with the insurance company until you reach the out-of-pocket maximum. This level is typically higher and it can be anywhere from $1,000 higher to several $1,000s higher. Most of the time these HSAs will have a maximum somewhere around $6,000 if they have that second out-of-pocket maximum. So between here and there, you're going to be sharing costs. So the insurance company is going to pay anywhere from 50 to 90% and you pay the rest of that. Once you hit that maximum out of pocket, then you're done again, and the insurance company pays 100% from there on out. So that's how the health insurance side works. Now, on the health savings account side, the way those plans work is any money you deposit into the account during a year to pay for medical expenses reduces your taxable income dollar for dollar. So if you put $1,000 into the HSA plan, your taxable income is reduced by $1,000. So you'll save income tax on that money. So what's in this account is actually cost less than the amount that you put in there. Then any money you take out of the account to pay for your medical expenses, your deductible costs, for example, those monies come out tax-free. So even if the money here is grown over the years because you don't use it from one year to the next, any of that growth can also come out tax-free to pay for your medical expenses. So one caveat to be aware of though is that the money in the account has to be there first before you go to a doctor's office visit or you have something where you need to take money out to pay for a medical benefit. You can't go see the doctor and then deposit money in the HSA account and then take it out and hope that it's going to be tax-free. It actually won't be. You'll pay a penalty and income tax on the money if you do that. So remember to make sure that the money is in the account first before you go for any medical services. Now, that's a general overview of how HSA plans work. There's more details, and a lot of that's included in the website that's in that link right below you here. So for more details, go there. And if this has been useful for you, then by all means, click on the like button right down here and leave me a comment. Just let me know what you like the most, or tell me what I didn't tell you that you would like to know, and I'll go ahead and make sure that I get the answers back to you. So until we talk again, remember to protect the health of your wealth by protecting your wealth of health. See you next time.